I've always been interested in centers of the Black world, and Harlem is one of the centers of the Black world. And the Studio Museum in Harlem is the best place to experience the artistic brilliance and artistic genius of people of African descent. And what that means to me is that we have a place where our work, our art, our culture can be on full display in its beauty. The Studio Museum in Harlem is a reflection of who we are as a people, and who we are as a people are folks who want to express ourselves, express our brilliance, express our beauty, and all of that is on full display here at the Studio Museum in Harlem.
Studio Museum in Harlem is an important anchor not only to the Harlem cultural community, but to New York City at large. You know, this is an opportunity for our community, from the youngest to the oldest, to be able to witness the greatness of the artistic community that Studio Museum in Harlem represents.
As a lifelong Harlemite, born and raised here in Harlem, I cannot tell you how excited I am for the Studio Museum in Harlem to reopen its doors. I think the thing that I'm most excited about is the energy in which Studio Museum has always brought to the neighborhood, the kind of hum of collision, of really amplifying what Harlem has forever been, this intersection of location and legacy, this idea that Black artists and cultural workers are the ones shaping what our future looks like. This is a place that is not just a location, but it is a sanctuary for how we think about ourselves in this moment in time, where this moment in time in terms of cultural preservation really lands us and informs our path forward. So in many regards, the reopening of Studio Museum in Harlem gives us back a North Star that this community has always relied on since 1968, and so exciting in this kind of ambitious new space for gallery, exhibition, learning, and fellowship will dictate how we see ourselves whole in the future.